Let's torch the top of this viral cream donut. These donuts are popular for good reason, and I was inspired by Dead Peach to try this recipe hack out for myself. All you have to do is defrost your cream donut, let it come to room temperature, top it with some fine sugar, and torch it for a couple minutes. This was also my first time torching something, so bear with me, I definitely burned a couple spots. The end result is your classic cream donut, but with a nice sugary glaze on top. It makes the most satisfying crackling sounds when you tap it, and once you dig in, you'll find the delicious light and fluffy cream.